Hi guys, welcome to today's video. This video is supposed to be 30-second Thursday. I don't think this video will end up as 30 seconds, but I'm just going to show you a quick high pass style filter that will help you bring out a bit more detail in your images or sharpen your images. When you finish doing all of your basic edits and you've come into the end and you just want that extra sharpening, this little trick is perfect. It started off as frequency separation for skin retouching, and for some reason I was playing about one afternoon and thought, oh, I'm getting more detail. So hopefully this will help other people bring out a bit more detail in what they create. So let's jump into Photoshop and I'll show you how it's done.
Okay, let's see if I can do this in 30 seconds, which I very much doubt I will. So this will be a very, very quick version. So what we're going to do, we're going to duplicate the background by pressing Ctrl and J twice. We will shut off layer 1 copy and we'll click on layer 1 and we'll go filter, blur, Gaussian blur. You can do this up to about 10 pixels, but I only do 5. Then you click OK. You just want it to get rid of the detail in the layer 1 copy. Then we want to be able to see layer 1 copy again and click on the top layer, and then in there we'll go to image, apply image. You want the layer section to say layer 1, and then you want blend mode to subtract, scale to 2 and offset 128, and you should have something that looks like a grayed out layer with a little bit of detail. Now we'll change that to linear light in the blend modes, and that will give us a very flat standard image like you had in your original background. And then what we do to make it really stand out and pop, we'll go to opacity and we'll go to layer 1, the original first copy of the background, turn the opacity down to 50%, and that will give us a lot more detail. So if I group these two layers and I turn them on and off, you'll see the difference. And that is how you get a higher quality look from your images.
Right, that was it. Hopefully you've learned something from this short video. I know it wasn't a minute. Sadly, I couldn't get it down any lower than, I think it was 1 minute 30. But hopefully it will help someone in the process when it comes to sharpening your images. If you did get something from this video, please like, subscribe, leave a comment. I love to have a little conversation with people and hopefully get to know a few of you along the way as well, because I want to build a bit of a community and a bit of a following. So if you do like this video, please give it a like, a little subscribe, whatever you want to do. I know we're all short on time. That's why I'm making these 30-second, or this version, a 1 minute 30 video. But if you actually like it, please keep watching and I'll hopefully catch you on the next video. Take care. Have a good day.